Hello guys and welcome to a new case. This time the semi-finals team case of the MECC Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge. I've never solved this case before, and since I was there in preparation, I also have never seen it being solved. So yeah, this will be a live run through, or similar to live run through. I have the answers. So okay, senioritis instead of the trip. Okay. Travelers, attraction, destinations, map. Interesting. Map. Give the category with the greatest category attraction score. So in this case, it's Prague. And it's fashion. So here the maximum is 9.5. 9.5 is fashion. Okay. So filter and else. Filter. Let's use the whole table. If this is the given city, and then F max lookup intake F -1 choose calls F2. Interesting. This shouldn't be the case. This should, of course, not be the case. Everything from Barcelona. 10. So basically it's a group by then, and they're the maximum. Okay, this is even easier. So reading Julian, but I might have figured out. Okay, group by choose calls F2. Values are take F -1, function sum, sort -2, sum or average, average -2. No, it's food. Okay, and then into the section operator, and it's food. So we are not searching for the highest value, we're searching for the highest average of category. I should read more. For the given traveler, name the city with the best attraction score for the traveler's preferred category. Okay, so we're grouping by city and by category, and then searching for the maximum of the interest for the given traveler. Okay, data table is not necessary, but I will data table it to have more space. Okay. No. Okay. Group by, and you can also group by two things. So now you have the average for both city and attraction, and then we make an XLOOKUP for the traveler. Architecture. Then we filter for everything if the category is architecture, and then we sort by 3D scanning order, and it's Hamburg. And then we say use this. And it should be solved. Yes. All right. Earn your mile. What is the distance from London to each city? 30 times the Pythagorean distance. So I have two options. I can use flatten map. Flatten map. Wow, I hate large maps. And then have all the addresses, and then could then use the Pythagorean distance, or I have with optional distance map filled of blank values. London is Q32. I want the diagonal value is square root of 2. And then we have the no, I would not. Okay, I have Excel run out of resources error. I hate this. Jake, please help me. Okay, now, since this is often causing this issue, I will use the standard flatten map and calculate them separately. So Q23, distance between cell references. Cell reference 1 is given here with London, Pythagorean distance, and distance times 40. And we can then use an XLOOKUP and round. So round XLOOKUP, Dublin, and we're done. Okay, hard to catch the train. Not hard to catch. To travel from London to a given city, you decide to use a combination of budgets, flights. Oh, this might be even extra possible. Okay. So it's basically an easy distance calculation where you have, instead of only one city, you have multiple cities. Okay. We have all budget flight cities, 2 row. Let's give me the address. Distance between cell references. and then track it. And minimum for Prague. And if the city itself, it's 0. Okay. So we then can use equals by row, not call by row sum or min, no min. And Reykjavik has a budget flight at 0. Prague is 2.4 times 40. Yes. You can also round directly here and do an XLOOKUP. Equals XLOOKUP for the city in the map, returning this. Okay, done. If you're traveling from London to the given city, hard, medium, very hard. You're traveling from London to the given city. You can only use budget flights and train. Travel time in minutes. Kilometers per hour. Thank you, Americans, for using kilometers. With speed. Okay. London to Vienna with a flight. Vienna to Prague by train. Plus transfer. Potential complications. Okay. Most often you don't have border issues because there are basically no borders in Europe, but we play with it. Okay. I think data table it. Okay, Prague. So we fly to the from. I think London has budget flights, right? Or hasn't it? Oh, okay, we might assume it has budget flights. Okay, so distance between London and the nearest budget flight city. So we might want to use here the unrounded. I'm somehow thinking too easy. So XLOOKUP for this in here, returning the unrounded time. Yeah, we're not to track. Okay, then I need to figure out what this is. So if this equals this, if this equals this, then hand out this minus x. Can I I've never tested it. Lambda A to call a why is it working sometimes and sometimes not? No idea. Anyways, then the other way around. XLOOKUP for this in here, returning the city fixed. Does also work. And if there is no flight, XLOOKUP for this divided by 40. Except for one. Okay. Okay, if we have an error issue, we can come back later. XLOOKUP. Vienna. Okay, London, Vienna, and Vienna, Prague. By train. Is there something where it doesn't make sense? Yeah, there's no change because we have a direct flight. Okay, makes sense. Okay, flight from London to the city. I think we have to, we need the unrounded London distance. It is unrounded. Here, returning this distance between Prague and London, this divided by 500. Kilometers, now in minutes. 88. Oh. Okay, the distance is wrong. Yes, because I'm flying here. And then the train ride is this divided by 150 times 60. Minutes, 131, plus transfer plus borders. If this is unequal to this, at 60, otherwise 0. Now XLOOKUP for this. If this is unequal to this, 30 minutes over 0. And then it's round sum of those times. 81, 120, E1, E4. Okay, 19 minutes, not that bad so far. 20 levels, too much. Okay, everything right. Level 6. Find the compatibility scores for each group of travelers based on their interest, wake-up times, and budgets. It's an instruction thing. I hate instruction things. Instructions is too much to read. I need to have it dissected. Okay, take the example with me. Okay, interest. They're the only one. Okay, count if s otherwise 0 sum times 100. Deduct the difference between the latest and earliest wake up time in minutes. Wake max minus min times 24 times 60 times 60. No, not in seconds, in minutes. Largest and smallest budgets, 10% the budget. Max minus min equals this times 10%, and then equals 1000 minus this, and round to the nearest integer. If I am correct, this should be right. Okay. Do I want? Let's do our bonus question first. Across all querulas, most popular interest. So CMV 81. What is the highest attraction score for any city attraction category pair? Times 100 and rounded to the nearest integer. So I can use it here. It's max of this. Really? Is it 10? Yeah, Mama and Mountains. Yeah, easy. The highlight of a city is the category with the highest attraction score. In how many cities does the least common highlight appear? Wie viel am häufigsten? Am wenigsten. Okay. Okay. So this by city. So max by city. So here are the cities, and then filter this if this is the given city, and then the sort (3 - 1) and index 1, 2, and most of okay 2. No, it means okay, it's 5, but it's not unambiguous because there are 2 categories with 5. What is the distance from the farthest city with a flight budget from London? Distance with a budget flight. I think this is in. Oh no, it's not in order. Be fast. Filter this if this equals this. 2088. What is the longest travel time from London to any city? I've broke it. I broke it. No, I haven't broken it. No. So we have the city. London to any city. And we can therefore basically copy in all the cities. Say 50, sequence 58, 1. Let's look up for 1 in here. Return longest travel time in minutes, and then we simply say equals round sum of those times. 158 B1 B4. Okay. Question is, why is Because it's Malmö. That's the Malmö issue. Okay, ignore it or not. I'm for ignoring it and saying what is the maximum of those. It's 340. It's alright. Okay, ignoring it was alright. Now 30 minutes in, level 7 to go. Everything else is done. Not that bad for a team's case. What is the given travelers group? Okay, data table. Each group satisfaction score for a trip is a function of the city's rating for each traveler's interest, the travel time to the city, the group's compatibility score. Okay. So I have the travel time for all cities, excluding the one including Malmö and London, because the travel time to London is 0. And Malmö, hopefully it's not. No, it's not there, so we can ignore it. So we have the travel time. Is it rounded or unrounded? It's unrounded. So not rounding it is the next thing to do. 51, 58, B1, B4. And yes, it's a messy solve. It's a set, a live solve, or solve under competition conditions. And therefore, I'm not doing here the prettiest cheat. Hello, calculate. Okay, here we go. This is 0. This is to be ignored. We have the travel time for level 7. Attraction score. If you go to Prague, no. First, split this. Okay, Prague and a given person. I set the score calculated. For all cities. No. Travels. For the given interests. Names. And for the given interest. Okay, XLOOKUP. Was it done? City and interest. XLOOKUP, city and interest in this computed column to save time, and this average score of this is travel time is also given if we do an XLOOKUP. Let's make it 30 to 1. Group compatibility score. Oh. I should have used. Okay, let's carefully. Okay, no common interests. We have to shift there something. It seems C and D. Oh no. This was better. Okay, and this is also an XLOOKUP for the names, and we have to score. Is this the score? Oh no. The score is 1000 minus everything. Minus this, minus this, minus this. No, I forgot something. There's something. 3658. Okay, trip satisfaction score. This divided by 100. So it's equal this minus this times this. Rounded to the nearest integer. Done. 121, 140, B1, B4. Okay, if everything is right, this case was okay-ish. Intermediate, I would say, especially also the super hard level is more of an read instruction thing and nothing too special regarding Excel skills, but okay, probably the addresses, but since on the maps it's always given up on the top and bottom, yeah, should be fine. Anyways, 37 minutes-ish, it's okay, yeah. Anyways, thank you for your time. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.